bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Hope you guys will have an amazing week. Listen, there is this one fly in here that I did not see literally until 5 minutes before I decided to at time for me to start filming the video. If you want to see my fly in the background or fly anywhere around the frame, please ignore him because I'm trying to get him out and don't want to come out. So clearly you want to hear what I have to say. So welcome back to the channel. I know this is not a vlog, but you guys will be getting a life update, Q&A, whatever you want to call it. I haven't been able to really sit down and talk to you guys for a little minute, so me and the fly I have it out, you know.
I don't care.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna get into the life update, which really and truly wanna just fast, but we're gonna get into it. So I ask you guys on my Instagram if you never catch it. So sorry, you can always drop your questions down in the comment section, and whenever I decide to do one of these again, I'll get to it, I promise. But I got quite a few questions, most of them kind of asking the same thing, so let's make do what we have. So let's get right into the life update / Q&A. So the first question is, how much longer do I have in my braces and what's my current color? I'm currently wearing like this navy blue type of color. So as you guys know, I'm supposed to be in braces for 2 years, right? Tell me why I went to my orthodontist like 2 weeks ago and she's like, oh, you're basically done, you're gonna be out earlier than you should be, so I might be getting it off before the year ends, which I am not mentally prepared for. Like everybody, I always shut off my mouth and say, come on, tell me someone to take it off tomorrow, I run to take it off, but really and truly, you know, my mind don't prepare, say at June of 2025 it will come off, because is that what bargain for? That's what we spoke about, Miss Ma'am. What you mean at times it come off? Me not ready for part ways with it. Like, I'm kind of nervous. It's not that I want it in my mouth, because I really don't, and it's very painful when I go and get my adjustments. It's just I'm not really ready to see what my teeth look like without the braces yet. Cause I'm kind of, you know, I've never seen myself like this, and if you guys don't know where I'm coming from, if you guys know where I'm coming from, you would understand that it's a drastic change. So I don't know if I'm ready. But I don't know if I'm ready for see myself without it. But a lot of you guys have also been asking about the information for my orthodontist. I promise you guys, once I am done with the treatment, I will let you guys know. I'm not trying to gatekeep or nothing. As I said before, it's for my safety why I do it. But I didn't announce it as yet because I have had stalker situations in the past, so, and I got there quite often. So when I'm done, I'll let you guys know where I went, or yeah, whatever. Did university prepare you for what the working world is really like? I don't know, I'm conflicted about that. University on a whole, I would say no. The marketing seminar at UTech, yes. Like, I feel like people always say, you know, UTech is more practical than UA. So I don't know if UA has any programs like that where you actually go through a full year of a working environment simulation. Not really a working environment, but you're working in the field per se. Like, you get to do events and activities that actually help you to build your skills and understand what it's like actually working in marketing. So I would say the marketing seminar at UTech helped to prepare me for what the working world is like. Not so much my university experience. University on a whole is like you pay money for read book and take tests. There is no preparation. There is no preparing you for the real world when all you do I read book and take tests. But the seminar, 100%. I can't speak for any other seminar. There are many other seminars. They have human resource seminar, account seminar, I think there's another one and the marketing seminar, but I would say that prepared me in a sense, not fully, but in a sense it gave you a little tease. What's the new job title or position? Guys, some of these questions I feel like I don't know, I'm a little bit too entitled, because it's almost as if I don't want to come up here, come tell you which part work, how much may I get paid, and let them something there. I tell you guys that I have a new job in marketing, and that was another big question. Am I working or I only plan to do social media? Which I can't understand. It was Instagram, probably those people don't watch your videos, but I do have a job in my field. I am a marketer. That's all y'all need to know. I don't know why many people come up here and list out my job description, give it up. Me, I work in marketing. That's all I need to know. I know a couple people probably see me at certain events and wonder, yes, I work in marketing and I am in the field. So do with that information what you will. I don't know, I'm just not comfortable coming up here and saying, oh, that would I be like me, I told Nessa, me, the bank manager in CB. No! I work in marketing, and yeah. Me not feel like I need no more than that. I don't know why so many people want to know what the specifics of what I do. But anyways, moving on. Where is one place in the world you would love to visit? Honestly guys, I always say this. I have a dream destination that is so dear and close to my heart. If I said that on the internet, I've never hear nobody say they want to go that the place they yet, like ever. I've never. So me just know one company internet come say that and then somebody go and force me, because trust me, at them time they would have see me war. Would have find anywhere back home and I go boom them up. I'm not telling them. I'm going to go there though. I am going to go there by the hook or the crook. It's very different. It's very I don't think anybody would ever guess that, but it's very dear and close to my heart, so I won't say, but I have a dream destination. If life started over, would you pursue the same degree you did, and why? Yeah, I would 100% still do my degree in marketing. I don't know, I just feel like marketing is a part of me. It's who I am. I don't know, it feels so natural to me. It's like second nature. I not have to stress myself, or when I'm working it literally doesn't even feel like a burden. It's just second nature to me. So yeah, I would definitely 100% pursue the same degree. Are you considering having kids soon? Guys, no. What? I am establishing myself as a young adult, you know. I'm just figuring out life like everybody else. I don't feel like a child fits into my life right now at all. No, I don't see myself having children till like the next 2 to 3 years. Yeah, I don't see children right now at all. If it at me now, but I'm not trying to have kids. I'm filming.
Oh, me too.
Say hi. Oh yeah, go. Alright, I'm so call you back.
Where you wanna go?
I'm a video me I do.
I would you. Oh, you're cute.
Yes.
Alright,
Yeah. Alright, later.
Yeah.
Yeah. No pitney, no melon to the dolly anytime soon. Alright, this question I feel like is a really good one. Somebody asked, how do you stay confident in an era full of BBLs? I mean, confidence is really something where you fake until you achieve it, you know, to be very honest. I'm not gonna lie. There are some times where, of course, I'm looking at the mirror and I say, yo, why am I cool brother? Why am I cool big so? But that's just not my reality. And I think I've made myself comfortable in the way that I dress. Like I find clothes that suit my body type, that look nice on me. So I feel like that has really helped to build my confidence in being a little skinny mini, because I feel like that's a problem. A lot of girls, like, you go on the fashion websites, for example, and you see a Jody Joe, and you know it's a good curve out, you know, she shave out in the clothes, and you say, yeah, buy the clothes thinking say that's how you are gonna look. And when you get the clothes, they don't look like that, and then you get disheartened and you feel, you know, a little insecure. So it's really important for you to take the time out and figure out what looks good for your body type, what works for you, and stick with that, and then you become confident with your little, you know. Everybody could come the same way. Somebody have to have flat body, and unfortunately some of us skinny girls will have the extended back. I will just make the extended back work. Yeah, because you know them say every who have them sticker bush. I promise you, everybody have them look a target audience. You might look like stick to the BBL people them target audience, and you might look like Bella Hadid to, you know, the skinny people target audience. So you just find what works for your body type and find people that appreciate you for who you are, you know. Yeah. Again, guys, everybody is continuously asking me what do I plan to do with my life outside of social media. I have been working from almost from year start, so I don't understand. Oh, everybody is so concerned. I have another job. I have social media, and I have a job that I got using my degree. What is wrong? What is the problem? What is the issue? For the biggest question, oh, before that, what's your go-to primer and setting spray? It's the Sasha Mattifying Primer and the Sasha Fix It Spray. I spoke about my whole makeup routine in my last video. It's like in the mid portion, so if you're interested in that, you can go check that out. So yeah, everybody is so concerned about my dating life. Everybody wanna know if I have a man, if I'm dating, what's my dating experience like, yada yada yada. No, say I am not. I don't know. I not really come up here come talk about my love life like that. Especially since I'm so look out on the stay too. When I love when people show who them I deal with, so they can name them way. So they can just swipe them like swipe of the fox. And me learn my lesson. So y'all, I'm not gonna say, oh no, never catch me showing another man on the internet. But I don't think that's happening anytime soon. I'm almost my wedding day, and you know, I want to look a picture slip, or you know, yeah. But everyone wants to know if I'm dating, and the answer I am dating. I won't speak on my personal experience, but I must say, if you're someone that is in a long-term relationship or in a steady relationship and you're just bored and you feel like you want to go back to the streets, you want to dibble, you want to dip your toe to see what they stay away there. Stay home. Go find some exercises to get back on the spark in a relationship. People trust me, not there out the road, not there at the street full of pace. The street is full. You ever gonna turn it and you see the little dirty mucky water and run on the road and that they on the streets right now. No, take up yourself and go out there for fun. You hear me? Yeah. Just if you don't wanna have problem or you don't wanna have problem, sit down and talk it out and work it out, because at the end of the day, no relationship now go, you know, nice and easy, smooth sailing. So yeah, work out on things because not out the phone, no matter, and especially in this day and time, I know nobody really wants to speak on it. As a heterosexual person, I feel that there are a lot of people who are struggling with their sexual identity. They don't want to admit to themselves that, you know, they love who they love, and them damage people in the process because they're trying to fight their true emotions and them come fast with you knowing say you're not really what they want in a human, and there's a lot of that in the yes. So if you don't have to be in the streets, go home. That's my advice to you. Yeah, but I have the personal experience I share with them, just I say, you know, that's my little yeah. But everybody wants to know if I'm dating. I am, you know. Yeah. How is my social life? Have I made any friends? And yeah, the answer to that is yeah. My social life, I feel like I've reached the peak of where I want to be in my social life. I don't feel like I need any more. I don't need any more friends. I don't need any more associates. I don't need nothing. I am good. I am okay. My social life is what it needs to be, honestly. I don't need anything more, nothing more. And the final question is, how have I been lately? I'm not gonna lie, lately life is good, you know. Life is good, but I'm just like struggling with balance. As you guys can see, I never get one video last week. I've been struggling to find that balance between YouTube, my job, my social life, and my personal time. It's like it's a constant battle to try and figure out how to make all elements work. I'm trying my best. I feel like I'm just barely keeping my head above the water right now, but I'm really trying to get into a rhythm. Yeah, it's somebody asked if it's hard juggling my job and YouTube. It definitely is, especially with like my social life aspect. Sometimes I don't necessarily want, like, I overthink a lot. I'm an overthinker. I'm overthinking this video right now, so everything is just super clouded at the moment, but we're going to figure it out. You guys want to know if I'm doing vlogmas this year? I honestly don't know. I do not know. I would love to, but chances are I'll probably just end up doing the same thing that I did last year, which is like 3 times a week or 2, because trust me, it's not easy. It's not easy, people. It's not easy. So I'm gonna try. But yeah, that's basically it for all the questions. As I said, everybody was just so concerned with what my job is and if I have a man. But yeah, as I said, you guys can drop your questions on in the comment section down below and let me know what videos you guys want to see or what you guys want to see in the vlogs, and I'll see you guys next week. Yes, I do have a video planned for next week, so I'll see you guys then. Until then, stay safe, be up on yourself, say on a prayer morning time, it's no breakfast, and have a productive week. Bye.